Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to a video that I have been waiting to film for about 18 months. So we have just got the keys to our new Charles Church 5-bed house. It's called a Fen Church for anyone who's interested, thinking about buying a Charles Church house. And I'm gonna have to be quick because it's getting dark. It's gonna get hard to film. But I just wanted to do a really quick empty house tour before Clint starts doing the floor tomorrow. So FYI, there is no floor. Clint is a floor layer, that's his job. So we asked for no floor and he is doing the floor tomorrow. So that's why there's no floor. He's walking around at the moment doing snags. If you've ever walked into a new build, bought a new build, you'll know what snags are. It's these little scuffs and little things that are wrong that you have to go around and find. So he's in his element doing that right now. And it's raining a little bit, but I just want to show you the house from the outside and also the view. So this is our view, and then this is the house. So this is the Fen Church. So we've obviously got the double garage there, and I don't think I'll show you the double garage, it's literally empty. And then we go in the door, then you go through the front door and you are in. So this is our hallway. We have paid for all chrome sockets, which I'm really pleased about because they look good. So you walk straight into the hallway, and then on your left here you have got the living room. This is going to be an adult living room, like an adult space, so it's a really nice big space, as you can see. We are actually getting a whole wall sort of TV unit put in across this wall, so that window will actually be covered in the end, but we'll still have these two windows. Oh my goodness, you're so loud. So yeah, that window will be going, but we still have these two windows here. The new sofa is going here. Obviously the unit will be here, and then we've got like a snuggle chair that's going here and a footstool in the middle. So that is the living room. Then you come back out into the hallway, and on your left you have got the downstairs toilet. Not really much to talk about in here, to be honest. It's got a sink and a toilet, but always good to have a downstairs toilet. Then you come into the main room, which I've sort of called the family room. So it's 11 meters long, it's absolutely huge. You've got the kitchen this end, which I'll show you in a minute, but then you have this humongous room next to it, and I'll try and show you how long it is if I go down right at the back. So you can see the kitchen is all the way over there. So the plan, the eventual plan, is that we are going to knock through one of the garages. So this wall eventually won't be here, and that will be a playroom. But that's sort of a long-term plan. We're going to have sofa down here, and this will be like a snug area. Then dining table is going sort of here, and then we've got the kitchen. Guys, I can't, there's no point really showing you the garden because the garden is a very large patch of mud. The garden's not been landscaped, so it's lovely and big, and we can't wait to do it, but it's mud at the moment. So here is the kitchen. We went for the kitchen upgrade, so we have got quartz worktops, which I'm very excited about, and then we've got the dark grey cupboards, and these handles are going to be changed into gold handles eventually. But yeah, that is the kitchen. I've just been walking around thinking about what every cupboard's going to be, where things are going to go, but I just really love the idea of being able to be in the kitchen here, and then the family area is over there, Leo's playing over there, I'm in the kitchen here, it's just all really lovely and open. And then connected to the kitchen is my favourite room, which is the utility room. Surprise, surprise, my favourite room. So we've got space here for washer and tumble dryer, and I love this cupboard in the middle. Really stupidly excited about that cupboard. And there's a window in the utility as well, which is nice. Really nice big space, a lot bigger than our current utility room. So very excited about that. And that is the downstairs. You can hear Leo running around upstairs. So I'll take you upstairs now. I love the stairs because they sort of spiral round. Obviously they're not carpeted yet, but the stairs are going to be painted dark, along with all of the skirting and the door frames. So they're going to be dark stairs with a runner up the middle. Hello. God, it's warm up here. So there's the stairs from a different angle. As you can see, I want to get this light moved so that it's here, and so the light sort of hangs over the stairs, and then we'll probably just get a spotlight put further down. But again, that's a plan for another day. So one of the things that sold us this house was the size of the landing. The landing, it goes all the way around here. The landing is absolutely huge. It's bigger than our current bedroom, to be honest with you. And then we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms. So I think I'll start with bedroom number 1. I just love this bit of the landing with this space here, and then you get the view out there. Anyway, bedroom number 1 is our bedroom. So this is the master suite. Obviously the bed will go there. Huge space for a bed. We've got a brand new bed arriving tomorrow or the next day from Arista Living. So that will go there. We get 2 windows in the bedroom, which we have not had before. Again, with that beautiful view. Here's the bedroom. From this angle, we've got this sort of alcove here that we've been umming and ahhing about what to do with, because we don't have wardrobes in the bedroom. So we've been thinking about what to do with that space, but we're not sure. Then, clearly inspecting the toilet. This is the master ensuite. So you get a shower. Obviously you get a toilet and a sink, and you get a bath as well. And we upgraded to this towel rail because that's the sort of style that it's going to be when it's all finished. But that is our ensuite and master bedroom. Come on, Leo, show us the family bathroom. So right opposite us, you have got the family bathroom, which is like a bigger version of our ensuite. So you have the shower there, leave it on, a bath, and then you've got the toilet and the sink there. So opposite the family bathroom, you get our first landing cupboard, which will be handy for things that you put in cupboards. Then we've got bedroom number 2. So this is the second largest bedroom, which is going to be a spare room / office. So it's still a really good size with a nice big window that looks onto our nice big garden. And it comes with an ensuite, which is nice. So 2 of the bedrooms have ensuites. Again, it's similar to ours, except it doesn't have a bath. It just has a shower, but that will be used only when we have guests, to be honest. So yeah, this is going to be the spare room. Then we have got the next bedroom, bedroom number 3. This is going to be baby's bedroom. I'll just explain that if you're new and you're not a subscriber. I am pregnant, I'm 16 weeks pregnant. This is going to be baby's bedroom. So yeah, good sized bedroom for a nursery. Then across again, bedroom number 4 is going to be the dressing room. So this is going to have all of my walk-in wardrobes, my dressing table, and also will be my filming space for YouTube. So very much looking forward to getting this room done. I'm going to go in your room now. Show us your room. And then bedroom number 5, this one. He's forgotten where it is. It's Leo's room. Here's Leo's bedroom. And you're really lucky because you get a window out the front. You get to see the view with all the cows and the trains, don't you?
I don't want some cows.
No, they're just in the field. They don't come near the house. So yeah, nice big room for Leo as well. This is 10 times bigger than the room he had at our current house. So he's going to have room to have toys up here and everything, which he's very excited about. So back onto the landing, and there's cupboard number 2, which is just another good space. Obviously we got an attic up there, but yeah, it was the upstairs space that was a real sort of game changer for us. It's just, there's so much, literally so much room up here. You know, we are gonna really feel the benefit of the space. You coming back downstairs, Leo?
Yeah.
Come on then, show us how to go down the stairs. And here we are, we're back downstairs again. Back in the kitchen family room. So we have got a really, really busy few days ahead of us. Tomorrow, we actually have 7 days to move in, which is a benefit because we did part exchange. So we get the keys today, but we have 7 days to leave our old house. So Clint is coming in tomorrow to do all of the floors, or start the floors anyway. He won't be able to completely do the floors because he's got a bad hand, but he'll make a good start. And he's got a couple of days to do the floor, and then on Saturday, yes darling? Yeah, and then on Saturday it is the proper moving day. So that's when we've got the moving van and we're moving all our furniture over. So I'm gonna take him over to my mum and dad's house, give him some dinner. Clint's gonna stay here because he's got quite an extensive snag list. To be quite honest, I don't want to finish this video on like a dull note, but walking around, we have found, I couldn't even tell you how many things that we found that are wrong, which is disappointing. You know, when you get excited to come and see your new house and then the first thing you see is lots of things that are wrong. So Clint's probably going to be here for hours doing that snag list so that they can come and get all those things fixed. But hey, we're in, we've got the keys. That's what matters. I'm just going to call that a day for our first house tour, but there will be more. And I'm also going to vlog moving day, which is on Saturday. So make sure you subscribe so you can see us moving and then all the future tours, because a lot of changes are going to be made, so there's lots more to see. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. My first moving vlog, my empty house tour. I hope you enjoyed. I will go into it more in future videos. So yeah, like I said, subscribe so you don't miss out, and I will see you guys in my next video.